In this video, you'll learn how to create columns in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to organize your content effectively using the column layout feature available in Notion. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your account. If you encounter issues logging in, check your internet connection for stability and speed, as a slow connection may hinder your access. Next, click on the option to add a new page. This option is typically found in the sidebar. After selecting this, a blank page will open for you to customize. Take a moment to verify that you have enough storage available in your Notion workspace before proceeding, as larger content may require more space. Once this new page appears, click on the title area at the top of the page. Here you can type in the title you want for your new page. It is essential to make this title descriptive to help identify the content later. After creating the title, click on a blank space within the page area. This action will allow you to start adding content. At this point, ensure that the page is empty, as any pre-existing content may affect the layout you wish to create. Now, type in the / followed by the word columns. This command will trigger Notion's built-in features related to column creation. A list of options will appear as you type, providing quick access to various functionalities. Next, select the option that indicates 2 columns from the list that appears. This selection will automatically generate 2 columns within your page layout, allowing you to organize your information side by side. To begin adding your content, this is where you can type your first paragraph or any other information you wish to include. Ensure that the content you add is relevant to the purpose of your page. Once you have entered content into the first column, click on the second column. This action will allow you to add a different piece of content that complements or contrasts with what you have in the first column. Finally, type in the second paragraph within the second column. This creates a clear visual separation of the information, enhancing readability and organization on your Notion page. After completing these steps, you will have successfully created columns in Notion, allowing for a more structured presentation of your content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.